Hello friends, welcome to Learn to Geospace channel. Today we will discuss the lines joining the places of equal geographical parameter. If you see the previous next set paper, you find 2 or 3 questions were asked in this topic. That's why this topic is really very important topic and this video is helpful to understand and their related parameter. So let's start the topic. First one is a isotherm. Isotherm is concept is related to a temperature, a line on a weather map that joins the places that have the same temperature at a particular time. Second one is a isoheight. This concept is related to a rainfall. A lines drawn on a map connecting points having a equal rainfall at a certain time. Isobar. This concept is related to a pressure. A line connecting points of a equal atmospheric pressure reduce the sea level on a map. Isochrome. This concept is related to a time. A line on a diagram or a map connecting points relating to the same time or a equal time. Fifth one is a isoneph. This concept is related to a cloudiness, a line on a weather map or a chart connecting points having the same amount of a cloudiness. Isohel. This concept is related to a sunshine, a line on a map connecting points having the same duration of a sunshine. Isohum. This concept is related to a humidity, a line on a weather map or a chart connecting points of a equal relative humidity. Isohaline. This concept is related to a salinity, a line on a map of the ocean connecting all the points of a equal salinity. Isochase. This concept is related to auroras, a line connecting places on the Earth's surface that have the same mean frequency of aurora. Isotac, a line on a map connecting points of a equal wind speed. Isoburn, a lines on a map connecting points of a equal thunderstorm. Isodose, a line on a map connecting points that receive the equal doses of radiation. Isodaphane, a point, uh, a point or a line on a map connecting equal additional transportation cost. Isophane, a line on a map or a chart connecting places within a region at which a particular biological phenomena occur at a one time. Isoseismal line is the contour on a map bounding points of a equal intensity of a particular earthquake. Isogonic, a line on a map connecting the lines of a magnetic delineation line. Thank you.